got this last week,
Yeah,
so I got time. Now we're gonna put it in forward. Now we're gaining some power here.
Look at that thing go, man. Yeah.
We should be running more speed faster.
I don't know how unless the sprockets are different. Look at that thing rip, man. That is
Alright, now they're kind of moving around a little bit. Alright, we'll put this baby in neutral. Ramp it up. Reverse. Real steamy, yeah.
I mean, that thing flies too.
It actually goes way faster, but I think I put too much grease in the shaft, so